Okay, we're out here outside at this point. We're just going to look around. Drifts by the house. There's the air conditioner. Maybe long my phone will probably quit working. Go back there. There's the drifts at the back corner of the house. It's pretty cold, about 10 degrees, and I'm walking without a glove on. Foolish. Here's the back porch area of the house. It is cold. I'm gonna look around at the trash back here. Going around the front of the house, see what it looks like. You can see, oh, we have a little drift in front of the house.